Well, it feels like the first day of spring, and spring has sprung, and gardens bursting into life. We've got some plants just coming in at flower now. I say plants, they're bulbs really. Say hello to the ducks. Hello ducks. And here's the bees. Loads of bees all out there doing their thing. Absolutely hundreds of them out at the moment. But you won't get any closer than this. Don't want to upset them. Don't fancy getting stung this early on in the season. But from here I can see lots of bees coming in with lots of pollen. Lots of kind of yellow looking pollen. Getting buzzed by one of the bees. So let's take a step back. See the ducks a little bit clearer there. And you can see hundreds and thousands of bees. Absolutely fantastic that they made it through the winter as well as they have done.